Guys, what is up? My name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to get on here because it's been a while. I wanted to do a makeup look for you guys, and this is kind of what happened. I know, I was going for something neutral, but I figured summer is kind of around the corner. It's here. I don't know, I'm a little confused. I'm in Colorado. It's still cold. Where is summer? So I decided to film this makeup look for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. It has a lot of purple. It's very fun. Wish I could have done this for more like Coachella type, but yeah, it's fun. Go ahead and play around with makeup, have fun with it. And this is the look that I created today, and I really like the way that it came out. Without further ado, if you are interested in seeing how I came up with this makeup look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
Yeah, it's baby E on the train. Yeah, say, trapping getting old, so I've been moving weight. Pigeons in the trunk, I'm on the interstate. Made myself a plug, it in 100 ways, and I still got the.
So the first thing I'm gonna go in with is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is kind of like a illuminator. You can use it as a primer. I do sometimes. And I'm just gonna be patting this all over my skin and just working it in. It's gonna help me, excuse my hair guys, but it's gonna make me look a little bit more dewy, and like I said, you can add it to your foundation so that your skin can look more dewy as well. Today we're not doing anything super special. I'm gonna be mixing this EX1 Invisiwear foundation. I really like it, but honestly, the shade is like too pinky for me. And then I'm going to be mixing it with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless 128, shade 128. So I'm going to go ahead and dot this all over my face, and then I'm going to be going in with my Real Technique sponge and then just blending everything out. So I think I'm going to fast forward through this part really quick. So moving on into concealer, I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Photo Focus Concealer. So I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on anywhere that I want highlighted, down the bridge of my nose and places like that. And then now to set all of the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun powder. Okay, then using my Equal Tools brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into that same powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and cake my face in a good way. It is time to bring the face back to life, so I'm going to be going in with MAC, and this is Give Me Sun bronzer. So the next color I'm going to go in with is Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild brush and just tap it in there. And then I just go ahead and blend it out some more. I use a lot of contouring powders. Like, I like to kind of layer everything just to make sure it has like a nice, what do you call it? Like a transition almost. Then I go into the Too Faced Cocoa contour palette, and I'm going to be going in with medium, where am I? Medium mocha, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the deep mocha. So I'm going to go back into my Coty Airspun, and we're going to bake the contour. So basically you're just cleaning it up and make it look even better. So love doing this little step. I'm going to go a little different today. I'm going to go a little deeper. We're going to play around. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go deeper on the blush and the highlight. So I'm going to go in with this clean color, and this one is in the shade gypsy. I know it's gonna be summer and this may be more like a winter look, what have you, but we're gonna make it work. We're just gonna... I got some inspiration from Instagram where this girl had like really bright blush and it looked really pretty. And we're gonna actually take the blush up into the temple. Was a little worried about that. I'm still a little worried, but the picture looked amazing. We just gonna try something new. I actually really like that. Like, I don't know about you, you're probably not a blush person, but who remembers this? Who remembers this little baby right here? This is the Mary Lou Luminizer. She has sadly not been used much. Like, I sometimes pop her in the inner corner of the eye, but rarely. So I'm just gonna go crazy on the highlight today. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just gonna go to the tip of my nose, center of my nose. I'm loving it. I'm loving the blush, the everything. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna quickly go in with the All Nighter setting spray and just set my face. There is the face. We're gonna go ahead and move on into the eyes. I'm gonna do the eyebrows really quick. I'm gonna speed it up because pretty sure you guys know my brow routine, and I'm gonna try to go a little bold on the brows today. And we're using the usual. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I'm using the number 14 Anastasia brush as well. Go ahead and move on, prime the eyelids. I'm going to be using the same concealer that I've been using all over my face. And then I just take my beauty blender and just blend it out. So I'm going to go into this old BH palette. This is Eyes on the 60s. We're going to go into this bright yellow. We're gonna see if this works, guys. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but we're just gonna make it work, okay? So I'm gonna use this as a transition color. Hopefully it works. That dry patch is gonna like annoy me, you know? I'm just going to go in with the Morphe 350. I'm going to go into this burnt orange and also the red. So I'm going to go in with the red first, and I'm just going to go into the crease. And then I'm just going to make sure to blend out any harsh lines. You know, instead of that red shade, I'm going to go in with the hot pink. We're going to try that. So I'm just going to go in with this hot pink that is in that same palette, just that. So we're going to be cutting the crease today. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to be taking this flat top brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid. So I'm going to be going into this palette here. I'm going to take the shade Ransom and Fishnet possibly. I'm going to go in with Ransom first. Put this all over the lid. I'm going to go into the red shade here. A nice red to the crease. Just a little bit to give it a little more depth. I go in with my, what is this called? I forgot what it's called. I'm going to go in with the ultraviolet one. I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eye. Eyes could use a little more depth, so I'm going to go in with a dark shade, a dark purple. And I'm going to add that to the outer corner. And still, while my glue continues to dry, I'm gonna go in with MAC, and this is Honey Love, really nude shade. I'm going to be adding some NYX Wonder, what is this called? It's that Wonder pencil. I'm going to add it into the waterline. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so notified when I upload a new video, which will be coming soon, very, very soon. So to those who have stuck around, you're greatly appreciated. I love each and every one of you, and I miss you guys, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.